Because we're all unique, our bodies respond to food and lifestyle differently. Level 2 combines technology and clinical care to empower individuals with personalized insights. This is a continuous glucose monitor, or CGM, and it measures your glucose every 5 minutes. So with a quick glance at your smartphone, you can see your glucose levels in real time, without finger sticks. That means you can eat what you want and watch how your body responds. Over time, you'll learn to eat more of the foods that keep you in a healthy range, and less of the foods that don't. A CGM can also give you insights into how your body responds to movement and even sleep. Here's how it works. A small sensor, the size of a thread, sits just under your skin. Then a transmitter wirelessly sends your glucose level data to the Level 2 app. To apply the sensor, clean the site with an alcohol wipe, then open the applicator pack, making sure not to touch the adhesive. Place the adhesive on your skin. Fold and break off the safety guard on the applicator, then just press the button and the sensor deploys quickly and painlessly. To attach the transmitter, first clean it with alcohol, then insert it into the slot on the sensor. Snap it firmly into place and rub around the edges of the patch 3 times. That's it. Whatever your goals, losing weight, reducing medications, or putting your type 2 diabetes into remission, Level 2 is here to help you every step of the way.